Hello friends, in this video, we will solve a common problem of unexpected shutdown of MySQL in the Xampp control panel. Let's begin with the problem. Let's solve the problem. It is very easy to solve this problem. Just follow the video step by step. Go to the MySQL folder, where you can see data folder. Rename it to data_rolled. Now, go to the backup folder and copy all files and folders and paste it into the data folder. Go to the data_rolled folder and copy all folders except MySQL, performance_schema and phpmyadmin and paste it to the data folder. The last step is just go to the data_rolled folder and copy data1 file and paste it to the data folder.